Hello there, welcome to the complete React.js developer course. React is one of the popular and powerful JavaScript library used for developing user interfaces in single page applications. You can see here the React growth has been increasing drastically from the past 1 year. So without any doubt, we can say that React is one of the best choice for developing single page applications. Now let's discuss the summary of this course. We will start with the what is single page application, because React is this JavaScript library used for developing single page applications, and then we will move to the what problems does React actually solves in the web development, and then we will discuss some of the topics in React.js like components, states and props, event handling, applying CSS to the React components, React hooks, React router, context API, HTTP methods, and at the last we are going to see how to connect our front-end React application to the back-end Node.js. You will learn all these concepts by doing the hands-on projects. Now we will see what are the projects that we are going to build in this course. Projects. First we will start with the counter application with React basics, and then we will build a React authentication system with the React hooks concept, Facebook dashboard with React routing, movies application with the topic of context API, meals application with the help of HTTP methods, and at the last we are going to build one full stack application by using the React as front end and Node as back end, which is the login system. By doing these 6 projects, we can cover almost all the topics of React.js in this tutorial. Now we will see the prerequisites of this course. So you should have some basic knowledge about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. Basic knowledge is enough. You need not to be a guru in all these things. We can cover all these things in the lecture only. Thank you.